How to fix my Tinder account. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you're having troubles on your Tinder account, here are a few solutions that should help. To get started with, you have to update your app to the latest version. In order to do so, open the Play Store if you are using an Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. On the search bar, type in Tinder, and if instead of Get or Open you see Update, make sure to tap on it. Once updated, let's move on to the step 2. For this, go back to the home page and click on the Tinder application and go to app info. Make sure you long press the app icon, then go to storage and clear the cache and clear the storage. Clearing the storage data might delete all the files and settings, so make sure you are confirmed before deleting it. Moving on to the next solution, you will have to now give the required permissions to the app, such as camera, contacts, microphone, or the photos and videos. After that, if the problem is not solved, you might have to reinstall the device by uninstalling it once. And that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.